Tonight, we cross over to Iggy Yoki in far northern territory of Australia with expert naturalist Dr. Jean Klaw. Over to Iggy.
Yes, and it's Iggy, and we're here. I'm with Dr. Jean Klaw and John. These eggs I found earlier this morning during my walk. What do you make of them?
These eggs is not chicken eggs, Iggy. This is crocodile egg. We must not be here.
Oh,
It's very bad.
how can you tell?
Because the chicken egg, as we all know, is white. But the crocodile egg, if you look carefully, is beige. It's far different. But this is a dangerous spot to be. We must leave right now. Sacre bleu, we have been too long. Where's the Marseillaise? We must sing it now.
This is Iggy Yoki, and it turns out that they were crocodile eggs and not chicken eggs. This is Iggy Yoki for Breaking Egg News.
Oh, hello. Yes, Kakadu Lodge. Yes, it's Eggs Benedict here. Yes. I'm just wondering. One of your guests, Iggy Yoki. Yes. He seemed to have run up a rather large bill. Right. Oh, one too many eggnogs. I see. Is he about? No. Well, I tell you what, if you do see him, can you get him to call the Breaking Egg Newsroom ASAP? Okay, well, that'll be great. Alright, thank you very much, and bye.